Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will answer the question, does Samsung Galaxy S25 support VPN connections? Let's begin. And the answer to that is yes. Furthermore, you can even create your own. You can do that by simply going, oops, that's a spoiler. You can easily do that by going into settings, going into connections, going into more connection settings, and in here you can see that we have a VPN. As you can see, in order to actually add one, we'll have to add secure screen lock, so I guess we'll simply do that. So let's create this simple L here. And now we can go to our VPN, we can click those three dots here, and we can add a VPN profile. And that's all for this video. If you found it helpful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.